Warning: this channel is too addictive for every diecast car lover.
We have bought a hypercar for our collection and the Apollo Evo is here, guys. Today we're gonna unbox it and review it, but before that, you may probably think why this Mustang is here. Finally guys, we have bought this special edition Mustang Airbuds from Gold. I know this is not an electronics reviewing channel, but this is related to this. And this is looking amazing, guys. So let's unbox it and after that we'll unbox the Apollo Evo. So as you can see guys, we can see a Mustang logo over here. Let me open it. Okay, we have got some stickers. Just look at it guys. We have got 1, 2, 3 and a limited edition bold Mustang sticker is here. We have got a note guys, just look at it. And we have got another sticker, just see. This is crazy, just look at it guys. And for a car collector guys, this is an amazing thing to have. We have got the Mustang branding over here, we have got the Mustang logo with the iconic Mustang design as well as the iconic 302 number. Just look at the iconic design. And from today onwards, the sound quality will improve guys. So let's start the main review guys. Finally guys, we have got the Apollo Evo with us. Let's unbox it guys. Okay, you got a new thing. You know now what color is that. After so long guys, finally you have both with us and this is looking amazing. After a long time of both. Three, 2, 1, baby, what is that? Guys, just look at this baby. What is only one screw? Okay. If we talk about the front section guys, we can see the Apollo logo over here. We have got this crisscross design looking headlights that are looking amazing. We have got the air vents over here. We have got the sleek design and guard over here. The top section is looking like a 9 tails guys. If you are a Naruto fan, you can spot it. And just look at the car guys. From the top, it got a black and orange design with fangs over here. Talking about the left section guys, we have got the Evo branding over here. We got this sleek design. Just look at this crisscross sleek design over here. Also, we got rubber tires with black alloy and black brakes. The car is looking amazing guys. And talking about the back section, just look at it. We have got the nitros over here. We have got more fangs over here guys. We have got 6 fangs over here that are looking amazing. And most probably we can pick them. Okay guys, just look at it. Wait, let me do some jugaad for you. Just look at this guys, just look at this. But orange interior over here guys. The car looks amazing. The car build quality is amazing. The price is just 650 from Flipkart. Isn't that crazy? This comes in a multicolor pack, so there is a probability you can get a black, red or this one guys. Most probably these are not made up of metal guys. They are probably plastic or hard fiber. I don't know, but I am feeling that. And let me show you the lights now. Wait. Just look at the front section.